The Earth is getting warmer because of humans' senseless development. Global warming leads to rising sea levels, floods, droughts, and many other water-related disasters that make humankind suffer. Countries leading the global climate response early on have realized the need for an internationally coordinated response on carbon reduction and have agreed to reduce carbon emissions, the main culprit of the climate crisis around the world, including developing countries.
Therefore, we must change our own way of living. We have to preserve our planet Earth in a much more sustainable way.
The Republic of Korea has recognized the importance of policymaking in carbon reduction and is now working to realize net zero by 2050.
대한민국 정부는 탄소 중립 사회를 향한 첫걸음인 그린 뉴딜을 통해 깨끗하고 안전한 물관리 체계를 만들어가고 있습니다. 특히 상하수도, 댐 등 물관리 기반 시설에 AI와 ICT 등 첨단 기술을 접목해 지속 가능한 스마트 물관리 체계를 구축하고 빅데이터에 기반한 AI 홍수예보 시스템을 도입해 기후위기에 대응해 나가고 있습니다.
Water management facilities produce significant amount of greenhouse gases because of their energy consumption. With this in mind, the Korean government established a clear direction for carbon neutrality in water management.
In order to realize carbon neutrality, K-Water has adopted the two-track strategy. First, expansion of renewable energy, and second, transformation into low-energy water management. With this strategy, we aim to reduce carbon emissions up to 5 billion tons by 2030, which will take up about 1.8% of Korea's reduction goal over the same period.
K-Water, an official supporter of carbon neutrality, plans to use renewable energy to this end. An alternative used for development and carbon reduction is the floating photovoltaic power that uses water surface in dams. Hapjeon Dam, along with other dam infrastructures under K-Water's management, can provide power to 4.13 million households every year. Hydrothermal energy, which uses the temperature difference between water and air to produce energy, is used to increase production through projects. K-Water's water treatment process also makes use of photovoltaic and hydrothermal energies heavily. Meanwhile, advanced technologies are used to minimize energy loss and lay the ground for carbon neutrality in the Korean water system. K-Water also uses smart water management systems in managing its water facilities such as dams and water supplies to maximize the efficiency of electric and water treatment facilities. These measures will help reduce these facilities' energy consumption and prevent water-related disasters like flood or drought. K-Water uses excellent technologies of startups and small and medium enterprises and proactively supports its corporate partners in taking the initiative in the rapidly changing global market.
Singapore is one of the most water-stressed countries in the world, in spite of being located in the tropics. We at PUB will search endlessly for ways to meet our water needs.
PUB seeks to conserve resources when we treat water. We work hard and aim to be energy neutral and positive in all our work areas. PUB is leveraging on solar panels to power our plants. We are putting solar panels on our reservoirs and rooftops, and we want to do more.
We promote the effective governance for SDGs. We must strengthen effective, inclusive, and accountable governance on carbon neutral water management. Global solidarity should be expanded to overcome the climate crisis.
Our decisions and actions toward building a sustainable future will be the basis in overcoming the climate crisis and realizing water welfare in the world.